Hey everyone, so today we're talking about how to fix a cowlick or swirl. So what is a cowlick? It's where the hair actually grows in a circular pattern and it causes the hair to kind of go in a bunch of different directions, which causes the hair to kind of stick up, and especially if you're trying to comb it back and it's going the opposite direction, it's not going to lay right. So it causes the hair to kind of swirl around, and you can do a number of things how to fix this. So the first way is what you need to do is understand where is it. Usually it's in the top back of the head, okay? And what you need to understand is that the longer the hair is, the better chances you have of covering up that cowlick or that swirl, simply because of the weight of the hair. Now, if your hair sticks straight up like this when you comb it back, or it just doesn't go down, it's simply because you're not really brushing it the right way. All right, so what you need to do is you need to actually help control that hair a little bit better. And what you can do is you actually need to comb the hair down or in the direction of where it's growing. So as you can see, the hair immediately starts to lay down. But what happens is when you want to move it in the opposite direction, you see it wants to stick straight up. So if the hair is laying flat, you have to comb it down flat. If it's combing up or growing up, you need to comb it in the direction that it's actually laying in. And as you can see here, it's actually helping the hair lay down a bit more, okay? Now, another option here is, in order to make sure that the hair does get covered, that you need to incorporate the cowlick or so into the style itself, or you just simply could wear more of a side part, because what happens is the minute you try to go against it, then it's not going to work right. So you can see here that there's quite a bit of length on the hair. Because of the weight of the hair, you're actually able to comb over that cowlick or that swirl and make it lay down. Here's another prime example. If your hair is on the shorter side and it sticks straight up, what you need to do is actually try to mess it up and incorporate, me being silly, incorporate the cowlick or the hair sticking up into the haircut itself. So what am I doing right now? I'm actually trying to make all the hair stick up so that it becomes part of the actual style. This is a great option because what happens is, if you don't do that and you just mat down everything else, then the cowlick's going to stand straight up. If you take the palm of your hand and you create swirls like you're trying to make mini cowlicks throughout the top of your head, then what's going to happen is you're going to be able to create some texture and make everything work a lot better. You can also use my product Talc, which is a matte styling powder, which I think would work well in this situation. But let me know if you have any questions, if you found this video helpful. Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.